Hi foodies, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is an authentic Marathi style Moong Usal using whole moong. A very simple dish and oh so easy to make. Let's get started, come on. Ghee will give a nice rich taste, so don't skip it. We are combining ghee and oil and the end result is awesome. Marathi cooking is usually very easy using a combination of everyday simple yet flavorful ingredients. You will see how quickly this dish will come through. We will saute the onions until just translucent. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. Check it out. Now the key to making anything delicious is to mix and cook each ingredient so that they impart their flavors into the dish. Kanda lasun masala is full of flavor, and once you have this masala at home, you can transform any dish into something out of the world. I had soaked the moong so they are easier to cook. We will saute the moong for them to get the flavor of the masala. It looks good already and the kanda lasun masala is just perfect. Water for cooking the moong. Once it comes to a boil, we will cover and cook on medium heat for a few minutes. Wow, look at the color! Now we will just flavor it with a few more ingredients. Fennel powder is a lovely and fragrant spice powder to elevate the dish instantly. Once mixed well, we will cover and cook the moong completely until soft. If you like my recipes, then go ahead and click the subscribe button for such awesome recipes I post every week. Check for doneness by pressing in between your fingers. Lastly, we will garnish with fresh grated coconuts to spruce up the dish. You will see how wonderful it looks already with the addition of coconut. Our Moong Usal is ready and you can serve it with chapati or have it as is. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye.